Model railroaders, steel mill modelers. I want to share this with you. If you would, please go check out High Rail Model Works channel on YouTube. Mark's channel. About 2 weeks ago, I was checking out a video of Mark's, and he had a couple of log bunks, bulkhead flat cars, and I thought that was the neatest thing. Now, at the time, I was going to build a fantasy Southern Railway unique piece of rolling stock. I checked out Tom Daspit's Southern Rail Fan site and actually found that Southern actually made this exact car right here. So it worked out great. This is a Walthers Mainline 68-foot bulkhead flat car. And I turned it into a log bunk, and I'll tell you how I did it. There's two different methods. When I talked to Mark told me that he built his out of scrap brass tubing and stuff like that. If you're interested in building it with brass, I'll leave the description of the materials list down in the comment section, or wherever the heck you put it. So I chose a different route because brass, working with brass, that's some serious stuff, man. I'll get there. So I went to this route. This is Details West LB-171. These are the log bunks, and you're going to need a 5/64 drill to drill the holes in your car. A little word about drilling holes in your car is first about the same width as the deck. Cut a piece of cardstock. Then you're going to locate your holes. I used a paint pen and just dabbed the little nubs here. See the little nubs right here? Dab that, and after you dab it in paint, put it on there, and that'll mark your holes. Drill those holes 5/64, and then you probably have to trim the holes to get this log bunk to line up perfectly along the sides here, to where there's nothing, there's no overhang on either side. It's just perfectly centered. You got to do that. And I built a jig to where I could just stick these on here and paint them with this perfect color. This is Krylon Fusion all-in-one satin brick. This stuff is almost a great match for the Walthers Mainline Southern bulkhead here. I mean, if you get a little closer you can tell, but from 3 feet away you're not really going to be able to tell. You can build a pipe load, you can do a log load, and on this log load I used azaleas again, because you cannot get better, you can't make better, and that's perfect. And for the black strapping here, I used bead landing 0.5 millimeter elastic cord. That turned out fantastic. And to bond these log bunks to the car, actually I used Permatex 5-minute epoxy. This stuff smells terrible. Use it in a well ventilated area. That stuff stinks really bad. So my dad always told me anything that smells is poisonous. And that can be said about a lot of things today. Today is the last day to vote. Whatever you believe in, cast your vote. Make your voice be heard. You already know what's going to happen. And that's fine. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. God bless you all, my friends. I'll see you on the other side. I'm out. Bye.